that?
Wanna go into the alley?
Aye. Right about 5:47. Alright, let's see if we can zoom in on my boy. He's walking around. Come on, D, start going off. Hold on, hold on. I'm getting them spinning.
Jeep. There's only one Jeep. A sporty new Ranger.
In your eye. That dude was looking. Smile, you're on camera.
Man, let me drive this thing.
Oh yeah. He thinks he can drive. Man, I can drive. What up?
Oh, shit!
More gas than that?
No, you've been letting the clutch up too soon.
Man, you can tell the chef me how to drive.
Well, why don't you tell her what you're doing wrong?
On the side! You wanna go stone?
Yeah, go to the store, Dave.
Go! Is that your camera team?
Yeah.
Wow, man, in the house. He's got...
I know I caught you out there. You got no clout here, and I doubt there. Is any way that you can stop the beat down? You ought to play the background and sit back down. Jump like this, I gotta keep them in line. Suffer, bit, suffer, boy. It's not your mind. Think you left it go right, straight down the lane. Here's what in your eye.
Is this like where all the breakers hang out when they're done? Because I was wondering if I didn't go out there very often, but I went out once and
I don't know, man. You gotta be qualified.
I mean, I went there once.
I better leave, man. I ain't qualified.
Great night, bro.
On the gas.
Real great.
Who cares?
Broke it.
Punctured the ball.
Shep Lee. It's Lucky's wedding coming up in a couple days.
You're just getting married. Big deal.
Here, boy. Big deal.
Fry up those chicken wings.
Come on now, as soon as the paper's signed.
I'll beat them all.
What up? T? What you're witnessing here is the 2002 jam session. Living style.
Yeah?
Here
That
comes
was
the
a crystal man.
Oh no,
He's gonna
dude.
play it with the words.
As you fill your glasses with the wine of muddy Negroes, thinking of the beauty that spreads like morning sun glow. Seagull, I don't want your wings, I don't want your freedom, you don't lie. On the quilted battlefield of soldiers, dazzling made of toy tin. The big bomb like a child's hand could sweep them dead just so to win. Vietnam, your latest game, you're playing with your blackest queen. Damn your souls and curse your grins, I stand here with a fading dream. Seagull, I don't want your wings, I don't want your freedom, you lie.
was gonna go to Detroit if the Wings win, but I don't think I'm gonna go anymore.
No?
No. Why?
You know, you make me so nervous with that camera. That's dirty, you do that, eh?
What?
And anybody who ever gets married or ever comes to any point of significance in their life, this man is gonna come up with a tape. I got one. He's gonna pop it in. There'll be some incredibly embarrassing scenario.
Can I ride with you?
On that shit. Where you going, man? Are you down?
Check Moss. Looking up her skirt, man.
Yeah, let's go. Party at my house.
Chunky.
Oh yeah. Here to set this party off. The year is 2003. 9th of November.
God damn. You still taping this? You can't be taping this.
I didn't.
Oh, nice. That was a nice shot.
There's no story.
Come on, just tell us.
It's embarrassing.
Please. Dude.
Someone else tell it.
Okay, Mel, tell the story, please.
You're such a freaking instigator, man. Always start shit.
It's all good, man.
Something.
We're all crew here.
It's embarrassing. It's not. You tell everybody.
Funny.
You don't tell these guys. You tell everybody else.
Like embarrassing, like.
It's not that embarrassing, Juno, sure.
Hardcore Detroit. Make sure you get that right. Hardcore. Photo 9 for Windsor. Are you in the building? We got love for all our people that came tonight. So you should give us the updates on WrestleMania. What's going on tonight? That is tonight. What the fuck am I doing here?
Back for your fellow contestants and participants. We ran Benzo from Baton Rouge. Right, yo.
at the church. I'm sure everything's gonna go well, man. I hope you're not too nervous. But place looks great. Everything's great.
pressure. Everyone's watching.
Yeah, no pressure at all.
Charlie and his guitar.
Yeah.
This is Ontario. You're supposed to say,
Are you trying to tell Shep Lee how to drive? Man, you can tell the Shep Lee how to drive.